The structure of a CAR T cell is, there's really three parts that I review in the presentation. There is the ligand binding portion that's targeting CD19, which is on the surface of the B-cell lymphoma. Then there's a transmembrane domain, and then there's two stimulatory molecules, CD3 zeta, just part of the T-cell receptor, and then there's a co-stimulatory domain that does vary a little bit between products, either CD28 or the 4-1BB. To speak as to what goes into the manufacturing of the CAR T cells. So patients who are felt to be eligible come in, they go through 1 day of leukapheresis to collect their T cells. There's no mobilization ahead of time, so it differs from stem cell transplant in that way. After the T cells are collected, we send them to wherever they're going to be manufactured, depending on which process we choose. Once they're delivered to that facility, they're with the facility for anywhere from 2 to sort of a 4-week maximum time, where there's a viral transfection and allowing growth of the T cells, proliferation, before they're sent back to the institution. The patient then comes in, they receive 3 days of chemotherapy with fludarabine and cyclophosphamide, and then after those 3 days they get a little break of anywhere from 2 to 7 days, dependent on the product, and then the T cells are reinfused, currently in the hospital setting.